Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriel for Gabby Angel Designs. In this video, we are coming to learn how to retouch this wedding picture in a simple step. So we are having our image here. This is one of the images that I took it by myself. So guys, as you can see, we are having some pimple in her face. So the first thing that we are going to do is to Command J on your keyboard, or just find the spot healing brush. So just click on the spot where we are having the pimples. So let's remove all the pimples like this. After that, Command Control. After that, Command Control plus J to duplicate the layer. After that, come to blend mode, change to vivid light. After that, Command Control plus I on your keyboard. After inverting the colors, filter, come to other, come to high pass. Let's set our high pass to 8 like this. Let's set our high pass radius to 8. Command OK. After that, come to file again, come to blur, come to Gaussian blur. Let's take it to 2.5 like this. So let's choose 2.5 as our radius. After that, Command OK. After that, hold Alt on your keyboard and create a layer mask like this. After that, Command B on your keyboard or find the blush tool and make sure that your foreground color is white and your background color is black. You can Command D on your keyboard to set the default colors like this. So as you can see, now we are brushing the skin. It's a simple trick.
Inspire, design flow, let it go. Watch the vision come alive. Step by step, line by line, bringing every dream to life. Stay focused, stay sharp, let the creativity rise. Gabby Angel Designs, redesign the future bright. Redesign the future bright. Redesign the future bright.
So guys, after doing this, Command Control plus Alt plus Shift plus E to make the layer at the top. After that, come to adjustment layer, click on hue and saturation. After selecting the hue and saturation, come to master, select yellows, set the saturation to and set the lightness to plus 100. After that, make sure that you have selected this layer max part, and after that, Command Control plus I to invert the colors. Command B on your keyboard or pick the brush tool. Make sure that your background color is black and your foreground color is white. So now see. Now guys, as you can see, this is her eye. After that, command another Control plus Alt plus Shift plus E to merge it at the top. Come to filter, come to other, come to high pass. Let's set our high pass to 2.5 to be okay, and command OK. After that, change the blend mode to linear light. like this. So this is our sharpness. So let's hide it. This is before and this is the after. So we can reduce the lightness a little bit small like this. So we can reduce the sharpness a little bit small by reducing the opacity. So let's take 89%. So guys, as you can see, this is our image. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you find it useful, kindly subscribe to Gabby Angel Designs so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. So as you can see, this is our before, this is the after. Before and after. Thank you so much. Bye bye.